Well, back here at home, local students from all over the county will get to learn more about agriculture at the annual Farm Day in the city. 23
ABC's Daniela Garrido live at the fairgrounds with a preview of what this event will be offering to kids this year. Daniela?
Good morning, Mike and Danielle. That's right. We're here at the Kern County Fairgrounds, and this morning we're giving you a sneak peek at Farm Day in the city. I'm here with Ariana Hoven. She's the director of the Kern County Farm Bureau, and we were just talking that this is both of our first farm days in the city. Now, it seems like a really cool event. There's about 2,000 elementary students across Kern County that will be out here on both days. It does start today at 9 a.m., but it's tomorrow at 9 a.m. too. Tell me a little bit, what are these students going to be learning?
Yes, so every year we host this annual event, and we just have a range of farmers to agribusinesses that come out and teach students about the importance of agriculture. So students will go from wonderful citrus to recology to CSTC safety training, just getting really a wide range of knowledge of the agricultural industry and how it plays a role in their everyday lives.
So a lot of local industry leaders will be out here. Tell us some of the different exhibits that they're going to get to experience.
Yes, so we will have wonderful citrus and pistachios, and they'll be giving the kids out pistachios and just teaching them about how pistachios are grown. We'll also have the Dairy Council out here, and so they will be doing an exhibit of both the cattle and dairy as well. And then we will also have Recology, who is a composting site out in the Arvin area, and so they'll actually allow the kids to play with the compost and just teach them about what it goes into producing it.
Great. Now, this is not a public event. These students and these schools did register ahead of time, but if they want to come next year, what can they do?
Yes, so we highly encourage the teachers, as soon as we send out those letters through the Kern High School District, to fill them out as soon as possible, because spots do fill up pretty quickly.
Awesome. Thank you, Ariana. Now, I did tell her I'm a huge fan of tractors, so I'm going to get on this real quick before I send it back to you guys. Woo! I'm gonna go find myself the keys to this, but back to you guys in the studio. Daniela Garrido, 23 ABC News.
Not a good idea.
That's risky.
Don't give her the keys.
It would actually be really fun to see where she goes and what she does with it. I'm on board.